Here is how to create a shared Google Calendar. First of all, open your Google Calendar, then go to Other Calendars from the left-hand side of the screen and click on the plus icon next to it. Here, from the menu that appears, you need to select Create a New Calendar and add a description. You can also set a time zone and then tap on Create Calendar, which is highlighted in blue color. Then click on Configure at the bottom. Then find the Share with Specific People or Groups section and click on Add People or Groups. Enter the email addresses or the names of the people you want to share the calendar with, and you can also add multiple people. Choose the permissions you want to give them, and Manage Sharing option allows them to edit the calendar and share it with others. Then after, click on Send from the bottom. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.